Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a BUSD wallet in Trust Wallet. So we're going to tap on Create New Wallet. We're going to agree to all of these things that it says here. Then we're going to, it'll show us the secret phrase. We're going to stop to write that down. So now that we have the words written down, we'll tap on Continue, and we're going to re-enter the words in the order that we wrote them down. There it is. This only takes a moment. Depends on how fast your eyes can search. Some of us are faster and slower than others. I'm pretty slow at it. So now that we have that done, we can tap on Continue. And just like that, we have successfully created a wallet. If you want to rename the wallet, you can do that here. So I'll just name it the test wallet because that's how I'll identify it, so I don't accidentally use it. I'm actually probably going to delete this because, as we know, if you share the seed phrase, the private seed phrase, the wallet is anyone can get to it, access it if you share that publicly. So never share your seed phrase publicly. And as you can see, we already have the Binance Smart Chain already added here. There are two types of BNB. There's the Smart Chain, and then there's what I call regular BNB. One is a BEP2 format, this BNB, this one, regular one. And then the Smart Chain is BEP20, that's the network it runs on. And so we were able to add that. Now I want to add the BUSD token. So we're going to just type in here BUSD. And now you can see there are two versions. There's an ERC20, which would run on the Ethereum blockchain. And then there's the BEP20, which would run on the Binance Smart Chain. So we're going to highlight that one, and now it'll be added to my wallet. And there it is. So that's how you create a Trust Wallet, BNB wallet, and add the Binance BUSD.